The TAS platform includes text analytics solutions developed by Precognox. After login, the interface displays the available services by cards. Just click on the card to access the given service. Bulk Search is a supplementary service for enterprise search dedicated to simplify and shorten the complex and time-consuming search processes which previously could only be done individually. Let's see how it works. As the first step on the home screen, the user uploads the compiled table which contains the search terms. We can upload tables by selecting them in the file browser or by drag and drop. The supported formats and the maximum file size are displayed. The preview of the uploaded table appears. The user can change the header and set the rows to be imported. The default header is the first row, and the default content is the whole table. After defining the required content, upload the edited table by clicking the Load Table button. After the table is loaded, the search process can begin. The appearance of the Enterprise Bulk Search interface is very similar to Enterprise Search. Below the uploaded table, advanced search options are available. Multiple search parameters can be set at once by selecting the search field, the relation, and adjusting the search terms in every row. In the search term box, clicking the plus icon will make the header expressions of the table appear. Selecting a header from the drop-down menu and all values of the given column become a search term. The relation between the rows are adjustable. After defining the search criteria, the query can be started. The search process will be executed for each row. The progress of the search process is displayed on screen. As the search process is finished, a new results column appears with the amount of matches for each row. The table can be sorted by the number of hits. Rows without any results can be hidden to only focus on the relevant rows. Clicking on any hit number, the user interface of Enterprise Search will open in a new tab, showing the given search with the details and the results. From now on, the interface can be used as described in the related video about using Enterprise Search. Much more complex queries can also be compiled. For example, we can search for matches between the values of a certain column and the components extracted from our documents. Additional search terms can also be added in each row. The usage of advanced search operators is also possible for compiling advanced queries. The compiled advanced search templates can be saved by clicking the Save Template button. The user also has the option to save a new template or update an existing one. The template can be saved by entering a name. The saved templates can be managed at any time. Several table editing functions are available. The column header can be renamed, its content can be sorted, and the empty rows can be hidden. By clicking Manage Columns, the user can set the relevant columns to be shown or hidden. The edited table can be browsed using the pagination bar. After the search is completed, the user can export the table for later examinations by clicking the Export Table button. Several file formats are available. The saved file will contain the content of the given table, the number of hits for each row, and a link to each result list. Useful tips and help is available by clicking on the Help tab. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, please visit the TAS Text Analytics System and Precognox websites or follow us on social media. Watch the related videos on our YouTube channel to learn more about our text analytics solutions.